Hey, everyone! Today, I want to share a cool product that's definitely going to catch your attention. Have you ever found a product that's affordable but still has great quality? Well, I've found something that could be the perfect solution for you. For example, do you often struggle to find something that's budget-friendly but also durable? Especially if you're looking for something multifunctional and stylish to use every day. This product has so many benefits, from its elegant design to its complete features. Plus, the material is sturdy and comfortable to use. Perfect for those of you who want quality without breaking the bank. Look how simple it is to use. In just a few seconds, everything's ready to go, no hassle at all. I've been using this product for a few days now, and honestly, I'm really satisfied with its performance. No regrets at all having something like this. If you're curious, check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget